Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to find and install any movie application to your Android TV, TV box or Google TV. So please make sure to watch this video right up to the end, and if you find it helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So as I said, I want to show you how to find, that means get any movie application to your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. So if you take note of the devices I just mentioned, I'm referring to devices with Android operating systems. So if you are using a Samsung Smart TV or a Hisense Smart TV or an LG Smart TV with their own operating systems, this might not work for you. So this works only on a device that runs on an Android operating system. That's it, let's go ahead. So for this video, I am using my Android TV box. It's called Slim TV. I've been using this box for months now, and I love the box so much. It has lots of features. So if you're looking for an Android TV box, I would recommend you this box. You can check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to tell you more about the box. It has lots of features and I love it. It has videos on demand, live TV and so on. But anyways, for this video, I want to show you how to get any movie application. So that's it, let's continue. The very first thing I need to do on my Android TV box, or you need to do on your Android TV, your TV box or Google TV, that you need to install the downloader application, because the process I'm about to show you needs the application. So what you do to install downloader is very simple. Go over to your Google browser or any browser, but if you're using an Android TV box or an Android TV, you are definitely going to have the Google browser. So as you go over to your browser, you need to search the downloader application. Now I just want to make mention that I am using my mouse to navigate my Android TV box. If you were confused, I'm using my mouse instead of my remote. That's because the remote is kind of slow to navigate my Android TV box, but since I'm using a mouse, it makes the video faster and also it helps me to screen record on my Android TV box. Anyway, so back to what I was talking about. To install downloader is very simple. Just go over here and type in the downloader application. You can see the suggestion from there, but for the sake of this video, let me go ahead and type in the application. So downloader, or the type you are going to get various suggestions. All I need to do is just to click on this one, and then it's going to bring us here. So the reason why I'm clicking this option is because we're using an Android TV device. That's why I explained earlier that this is not going to work on a Hisense Smart TV or a Samsung Smart TV. This is only going to work on a TV that has an Android operating system. So that's it. You can choose any of these options. They are literally the same. You can see they are all the same thing. Just click on the best one or the best option. And to click on it, you're going to get the download application downloaded by AFTUs. Just go ahead and ignore these mobile interfaces that you see here. As long as your device runs on an Android operating system, the application is going to work. All you need to do is just click on install, and you're going to start installing straight away to your Android TV, your TV box, or your Google TV, or any TV that has an Android operating system. So once this is done, or once the application is completely installed, you can just simply open it from here. But I always prefer closing my Google browser before loading it, so that I don't have many applications running on the background. So once you're here, you can go over to the download application, and this is it over here. So the way downloader works is that you go over here, type in the code, and that code is going to bring you to a web page or an application or an APK on the internet that you can download to your device. Now on certain devices or certain TV devices, you will need to grab the download application permission before you use it. So to do that, you need to go over to your settings of your device and check the settings that says allow installation from unknown sources and turn that on. Mine, I don't have to do that because my Android TV box just allows that without any issues. So if you're the same or you're on the same page over here, just go over here and this is what you are supposed to do. On this page over here, type in this code 72609. After typing the code, you can go ahead and launch it. This is my favorite code, and if you've been watching my YouTube channel, you'll see me using this code a lot. So what this code does is that it brings you to a couple of to a web page or a link tree of app stores that are compatible with Android TV devices and Fire Stick. So there are a couple of them, I think there are about 10 of them. So once you're here, you can take out your time and browse through them. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go to what is important. And one way is important, we're looking for this very first option. This is what we want. So what you do, just go over to this option, click on it. As you click on it, it's going to bring you over to this tool over here, and let me explain how this works. This is a tool I really love so much because it helps to find any application. It says type in APK name and press enter for a list of working downloader code. So how this works is that if you're looking for any application, in the case of this video, you're looking for any movie application, all you need to do is to come over here and type in the name of the movie application. So the only catch is that you need to know the movie application that you're looking for. So if you don't have an idea of the application you're looking for, then you might not be able to use this application, but you need to have an idea. So you can just browse through, you can see it shows there are lots of pages. So it says here that these are the popular searches or recent searches. Oh my god. See what somebody just searched here 3 minutes ago. Alright, so these are popular searches is coding, sports, VPN, and so on. So and these are recent searches. So this is the site people are currently using. Alright, so you can search for any application. So as I say, the only problem is that you need to know the application that you're searching for. So if you know any movie application, it could be literally any movie application that you're looking for, just go over to this box over here and type it. I could type in some popular movie applications, but for the sake of my YouTube channel, I wouldn't type them here. But once you're here, you can go ahead and type in whatever you want. Just follow the steps and it's going to bring you here. Now, let me show you how this works. So for instance, I'm searching for, let's say, Kodi. Let me just show you how this works. You are searching for Kodi, for example. Of course, you might not be searching for Kodi. You can search for what you want. If I search for Kodi, for example, I'm going to give suggestions for Kodi. Now you see this is Kodi 20.2, this is Kodi 21.3, 21.2. There are different versions. So what you need to check up is latest date, alright, like the application was updated. So you can see 26 and you can see 25. So you see that these two or these options are more reliable because they were lastly checked in the recent date. This is 4th of January 2025. So this is literally like 3 days ago from the time I'm making this video. And if you browse through down, you'll see let me see, there's also an option to hide older codes. So for instance, I can click over here and I hide older codes, hide codes that are older than 180 days, or I just click on it. I click on it. Also show all, so that in total there are 53 active downloader codes that are at least 60 days old. So now how do you install an application here? Is simple. You can either copy the downloader code and go back to your downloader box and type it there, or you can just simply click on the code once and it's going to start downloading the application. It's as simple as that. So the best option is just to click on the code and the application is going to start downloading to your Android TV without any problem. As you can see, the application is going to be direct here and start downloading to my Android TV. I'm not interested in downloading the application for now, so I'm just going to cancel that. I'm just showing you how this is going to work for you. So that's how this works. You can just click on the code, or you can copy it and go back to your downloader. So for instance, I can go over here and copy the code. Let's say, oh, I thought that this was the device. To copy the code, so you need like the code 316314, and then return over here and type in the code in the box and launch it. But the best option is just to click on the code and the application is going to be downloaded. So as I said, you can search for any movie application. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.